Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we dive deep into future mobility, smart travel, and innovative design. And today, we're looking at something that's been turning heads: the 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper. Compact, efficient, and surprisingly capable, it might just be the ultimate eco-friendly escape pod. Let's jump right in. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 model brings a refined aerodynamic shell that's both functional and eye-catching. It rides on a three-wheel platform, one in the front, two in the back, giving it added stability, especially when cornering or parked on uneven ground. Now, let's take a look inside. For a vehicle this compact, the interior is surprisingly well thought out. As you step in, you're greeted with a space that converts between living and sleeping within seconds. The bed folds out into a single or snug double, and there's a built-in cushion system that doubles as seating during the day. Overhead, shelves and side compartments handle your essentials. Now, let's pop the hood, or rather, check under the seat, since this is a Trike. The 2025 model runs on a dual-motor electric drivetrain, powering the rear wheels with up to 80 mm of torque. It tops out around 28 brce, tight 20 making it legal for urban roads and low-speed routes. Perfect for local travel, campground hopping, or scenic routes. The battery is a 2.5 kWh lithium-ion pack, giving you around 70 to 80 miles of range per charge, depending on your load and how much you rely on regenerative braking. Let's talk price. The base model starts at just under $9,800, which puts it squarely in budget territory for microcampers and far below the price of any van or RV. Add-ons like a heated mattress, integrated GPS, or weatherproof shell can bring that total closer to $12,000 fully outfitted. Still very competitive for what you're getting. So here's the bottom line. The 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper isn't trying to compete with full-size RVs. It's in a class of its own. It's perfect for slow travel, short getaways, and life on the road with a minimal footprint. Whether you're a solo traveler, digital nomad, or someone looking for a unique weekend escape vehicle, this Trike blends mobility, sustainability, and freedom in a truly original way. Let us know in the comments. Would you travel cross-country in something like this? Or is it better suited for city-to-campground trips? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth